I've been thinking, what if we could get a full health checkup every morning without even leaving the house? Well, I
That'd be
think I found
amazing.
something close.
Wait, are you talking about that new smart scale everyone's raving about?
Yes, the Etekcity Smart Scale. It's like a personal health station right under your feet.
Really? How so? I mean, a scale is just a scale, right?
That's the thing. This one isn't just about weight. It
Oh,
measures 13 different body metrics.
13? That's a lot. What kind of metrics are we talking about here?
Well, besides weight, it tracks BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and even things like water weight and bone density. It's
Wow,
like getting a mini physical every day.
that's incredible. So it gives you a more holistic view of your health?
Exactly. It embraces that idea of self-love and self-discovery. You're more than just your weight, you know?
Right.
It's about understanding every aspect of your wellness journey.
I love that. But how user-friendly is it? I mean, sometimes these gadgets can be a bit, complicated.
Oh, not at all. It syncs up via Bluetooth to the VSync app, which is super intuitive.
Okay,
Plus, it integrates with other apps like Apple Health, Fitbit, and Google Fit.
so I can keep all my health data in one place?
Yep, and the best part is, it has different modes tailored to individual needs. There's
Like
a
what?
secret mode, for instance.
What's that about?
It's great for those who don't want to see the numbers every day. It tracks your progress without displaying the weight on the scale itself.
Nice.
Less stress, more focus on the journey.
That's thoughtful. What other modes does it have?
There's a zero current mode for pregnant women or anyone with electronic medical implants, so it only measures weight and BMI. And there's
Oh,
even
that's
a baby
important.
mode.
Baby mode? How does that work?
You weigh yourself first, then hold your baby and weigh again. The scale calculates your baby's weight.
That's clever.
Makes tracking a newborn's growth so much easier.
Absolutely. But what about power? Do I need to keep buying batteries?
Nope, it's rechargeable.
Oh,
No more
perfect.
battery swaps, just plug it in when it needs a charge.
That's eco-friendly and convenient. I'm liking this more and more.
Same here. And people are really loving it. One user mentioned it's more accurate than their old scale and even their doctor's office readings.
Really?
That's impressive.
But, are there any downsides? I mean, nothing's perfect, right?
Well, a few users wished it had more display options on the scale itself, so you wouldn't need the app every time.
I
And some had
see.
minor Bluetooth syncing issues at first.
But overall, the pros outweigh the cons?
Definitely. Most people praise its accuracy, ease of use, and the wealth of information it provides. And at
That's
around
great.
$50, it's a steal compared to other brands.
Wait, only $50? That's way less than I expected.
I know, right? One user even said it's a quarter of the cost of a Fitbit scale and works better for them.
Nice.
Plus, there are protection plans available if you're interested.
Oh, like warranties?
Yeah, Asurion offers plans covering accidental damage and malfunctions, so
That's
you can have
reassuring.
peace of mind.
Sounds like they've thought of everything.
They really have. And the scale supports multiple users, so the whole family can use it.
That's handy.
It even has a lock mode to prevent pets from messing up your data.
Ha! I could see my dog accidentally stepping on it. Good to know they've got that covered.
Exactly. Every detail seems designed with the user in mind. It's
Yeah.
wellness made easy.
I might just have to get one of these.
I was thinking the same thing. It's like investing in your health without breaking the bank.
Totally.
Plus, it's a great way to start the new year off right.
Agreed. So where can I get one?
It's available on Amazon, and if you're a Prime member, you can get free delivery. They
Sweet.
even have a 30-day return policy if you're not satisfied.
Well, with everything you've told me, I doubt I'd be returning it.
Same here. It's time to embrace a more comprehensive approach to health. We're more
Absolutely.
than just our weight.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks for sharing this with me.
Anytime, here's to a healthier us.
Cheers to that.